Hi there guys, this is Tracy here, and so something a little different today. It's a beautiful day here in London and we're out in the garden. So we're taking a look at Disney's Frozen Olaf snow cone maker, and I've got all the bits and pieces that we'll need to make delicious snow cones, and so it's just some ice and some orange juice, and let's take a look inside. Go then guys, let's build our Olaf snow cone maker. So we'll just pop his nose on, and this shaving drum goes into his tummy. It fits in there nicely, and on the back we need to put our handle, and we need to line it up and push it in firmly so that fits. And then we need to line up the back piece and then turn it so that we can turn our handle, and here we are. Right then guys, what we need to do is to put one ice cube into the top and turn it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and place Olaf's head on the top and gently apply some pressure, and we should get some snow. I'll just add another ice cube, and we need to turn it 5 times. And add the head, apply gentle pressure and turn the handle. Wow, that was a big one. So let's add some delicious orange juice. There we go then guys, that's our delicious orange ice cone, Olaf style.